Today we're checking out 5 cases ranging from $70 down to $17 to protect your brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. We'll start off with the Pelican, $70, $17, $25, $20, $22. So we have a nice range of cases for you, and I'll walk through every single one, let you know the pros and cons, and at the end, I'll give you my recommendation on which one you should buy. First thing, let's talk about the Pelican Shield. The Pelican Shield is the most expensive one out of all, coming in at $70. Pelican is calling the construction the multi-layer extreme protection, rated to 5 times military grade drop protection up to 21 feet with an integrated kickstand, and works well with all Magsafe accessories such as the wallet as well as chargers as well. Personally tested it, no problem at all. This is also the only case out of the 4 that actually has USB-C protection. Now, I'm not feeling a lot of soft materials in here. I mean, I would expect some sort of air bumper or something to keep your phone safe, but in this case, everything felt pretty hard, like hard shiny plastics inside and out. The outside is coated with like a grippy layer. This is hard plastic right here, hard plastic, hard plastic, hard plastic. So I felt like actually in time, if you get sand particles in here, it'll just scratch up your phone just from friction alone. Jam it in, guys, jam it in. Oof. Now, fitment wise, I can't really fault it. I can't complain. All the buttons work well, no issues there. And you do have a little gap here that gives you access to your camera button. If I want to be real, I don't think this is worth 70 bucks. I think this is going back to the return box. All right, the second option we got is the Spigen Tough Armor T. Not sure what the T stands for, but this case actually comes in at 22 bucks, a lot more reasonable, and still has great protection. So they're dual layer here, hard plastic on the outside and then softer rubber on the inside. Now this is what I expect protection. If we look closer on the inside, you can see that there are these kind of like rubbery air bumper versus the Shield does not have any of that at all. This one actually has soft protection. These are soft foam rubbery material. Plus it has a kickstand that's built in right here. Now this kickstand is useful if you're watching horizontal video. Vertical, forget about it. It ain't gonna work. All the cutouts are perfect, evenly shaped, evenly spread. Buttons are well covered actually compared to the Spigen Shield. You can see that there are little gaps in between the buttons where sand can go in. So on the top, you have the action button right here, also sealed up, nicely covered. Volume buttons, power button, and even the camera button is sealed up as well. This is an interesting design. I wonder if this still actually works. The scrolling motion still works, just not as sensitive. Hi guys. Ooh. This is a great case actually. For 22 bucks, if you're looking for good protection that has high amount of coverage, including all your buttons, I would just go with this, the Tough Armor T. Why spend 70 bucks on this guy when you can have this? Let's try Magsafe. All right, this is a Magsafe wallet. Is it gonna pass the shake test? I don't want to drop my phone so soon. Yeah, I like it. The next case we're going to talk about is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. Now this is like a clear case with like a tear down theme. On paper it looked really cool, and here's what it looks like after test fit. Honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of it. I think that maybe it's just because of the orange and the gray. It doesn't fit well with the whole theme at all. Okay, if you have the silver color, then I think this is going to work or can work for you, but I am not a big fan of how this looks. Now fitment wise, I have no complaints. All the cutouts are centered, everything looks good. There's a slight lip to protect your screen. Just to let you know, I do have a screen protector on here right now. So if you do not have one, it will sit even lower. All the button operations feels nice and clicky, no issues at all. The only thing it doesn't have is it doesn't have kickstand. All right, in terms of Magsafe charging, no problem at all. Charging, great. It's a little bit slippery when it comes to Magsafe accessories mounting, just because of the material. I also have a film on here right now that I'm not gonna tear off because I'm gonna return this case. Pelican, Magsafe wallet, a little wiggle. Not bad, actually. I mean, it's not a bad case. It's just stylistically, it's not for me. So this next case is interesting and ended up being one of my favorite of all of them. This is the Bhutiga magnetic ring grip brown iPhone 17 Pro Max case. And this is what it looks like. It actually looks really nice. I doubt this is real leather. If you're vegan, this should be, vegan safe. I don't know, check the website. One thing I do like is the design. That black and brown looks really sharp. Overall phone case material is like a soft rubbery material, just like almost like a silicone feel to it. It's nice and soft. It will offer some protection, but probably not from a high drop. On the inside, you have minimum coverage on some of the buttons here. You can see there are gaps where dust can still go in right here as well. And then there's no coverage on the camera button right here. And then on the inside, there's this felt material. Now, at first when I looked at the felt material, it wasn't glued on perfectly straight. But given the price point of $25, I think I can forgive that. There are two things I like about this case. One is the look, two is the kickstand. This kickstand works really well. I just wish that it can rotate. I feel like the brown, the black works really well with the orange. Everything just have a cohesive look to it. Overall, I'm happy with the look. Protection wise, I don't think it gives you the strongest protection, but usability wise, definitely has a nice kickstand right here. I like this finger loop because oftentimes if I try to put my finger through this loop, it's very uncomfortable, it gets jammed up. So they made this little finger loop that I put my pinky in, and now I can use my phone one-handed. Unlike some of the other cases like the Spigen as an example, the cutouts is only for the camera holes, but here, this whole thing is a cutout. Magsafe accessories test, let's try it out. Perfect. No problem at all. Charging just fine. Let's try the Magsafe wallet. Pelican Magsafe wallet. Offer a pretty good grip. There's some flax happening here because of the magnetic ring. Overall, I think this is a cool case. I like it. I like the way it looks. I like the functionality. And overall, I think this is a keeper. Last but not least, this case is by Tam Dan. I actually ordered this case before the iPhone 17 Pro Max was announced. This is how committed I am to getting this phone. Overall, I think the build quality is okay. It comes in at $17, not the most expensive, not the cheapest. I think this is a very basic case with a decent kickstand. That's pretty much it. I'm a little bit more careful when it comes to inspecting the interior of the case. Now you can see right here, this Magsafe ring is actually sticking out. Can you hear it? This could potentially scratch up the back of your phone, especially with this ceramic shield. People are saying that this is easily scratched up as well. So this is likely going to get returned, but I'm going to mount up the phone anyways, just so that you can see what it looks like. I would say the fitment is so-so. You can see some of the orange coming out on the edges right here. It's just not the best coverage, not the best made case overall. It does have a kickstand, which works vertically and then horizontally. I like that a lot. Overall, 17 bucks. I think you can spend your money on better phone cases. So the Tam Dan is going back in the return pile. My number one choice is going to be this Spigen Tough Armor T. But the second one I recommend is this Bhutiga case. So these two are going to be my recommended case. So I hope you found this video helpful in helping you find your first phone case for your iPhone 17 and 17 Pro Max. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Do consider using the affiliate links in the description because it really does help the channel. You can support my channel by subscribing. It will cost you nothing. I appreciate your time. See you in the next video. Peace.